Hello humans! Today I'll be riding the Cincinnati Street Spell Connector, also known as the streetcar, which will be my first train ever in the United States.
Before we begin, here's some information.
Unfortunately, the streetcar service has been delayed and I just missed the train, so...
For 1 minute.
Yes, I just missed the train. If I had come like 30 seconds earlier, or even 10 seconds earlier, I would have made it, but oh well. And now the service is delayed. Now what station is this? Let's see, we're right next to the water park. Washington Park, Central Parkway, where are we right now? I have no idea. Music Hall, found it, Music Hall. We're here at Station 8. Right next to Washington Park. Fortunately, there is a solution. Instead, we're gonna go to Station 14. That's just opposite of this park. Alright, no streetcar here yet. Whew. Thankfully, we're just riding around, so we can always take the route that is the opposite side of here. There it is on the other side, right where the two buses are. Made it to the other side. Holy cow, that is one tall platform.
Yeah, we made it.
Alright, let's go. Arrives in 5 minutes.
So instead of 23 minutes.
Instead of 23 minutes, it's 5 minutes, everyone. Alright, just waiting here. Let me show you around the station. Here's the map once more.
这样子嘛，我们怎么样？我们刚才在8号嘛，那 Park 这边，但他一直走这边就走这
We're
边，
just
又
gonna
走
take
到
one
14
full
号，现在14号嘛
revolution around
那
here.
14号就走到downtown整个沿边，那又回到8号了。
Now let's just take one full revolution, and if we have time, we can take 2 revolutions. This is the train, and this is the iconic sign, and they even have a bicycle trip point sign. It's really cool to board a train and to see an elevated platform. There it comes. Alright, push the... It's now time to board! Oh my God! Yes! I'm finally here! Yes! I'm finally here!
Where should we sit?
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
Oh my God! Yes! The first train I've ever rode in, ever since the first time in the US. The doors with the indicator and everything. The doors again for Plus Bus. Alright. Let's take a tour on the entire train because why
Next
not?
stop, Central Parkway.
These are the side doors. The doors are obviously the most important part of the train. I know, hold on. It's still like a bus, push for the next stop. The entire train goes all the way down here. Yeah, this is the coolest. This is so cool. Alright, I should probably take a seat now as I do not distract the operator. So, I'm gonna take one of the seats. Take a closer look at these doors. You see a door incorporates a slot with a roller.
That's where I go before I get on the bus after school.
A roller, We see another bus or cameras
I'll show you.
and a light sensor. I like how the train rings its bells when it's about to move.
Oh no, it's right there.
The doors are pretty
Next
wide.
stop, the public
It can
library.
definitely fit 2 people. Alright, here are the doors opening and closing.
Cincinnati
These are the
Connector
most
is
important
now
parts.
approaching The public library.
The doors are opening. Oh my god, that is so cool.
Doors closing. Please stand clear. Come to the public library.
The stops are really close together. There's one right there, and now there's one like right there. They're literally just like one block separated by this road up front. Oh wow, that's the maintenance part. You get over here. Interesting. Oh, we're turning around anyway. Nice. Unfortunately, the driver knew that I was just running for a ride, and he asked me if did I like it, and I obviously responded with, "I love it." Fountain Square, the transfer of all the buses, the government squares, and we're bringing everything. Let's take a look at these moving joints. These joints are really interesting. They're just basically like circular ball joints, but they only move from side to side and only up, and probably up and down too, but only a little bit. Oh, do these joints go up and down? Not really, but we're going up hills right now, so don't see much movement in them.
Connector is now approaching Washington Park.
Ah, this is where we missed the train earlier. We did one full revolution. Oh, they already pushed it. Never mind. Okay.
Is now approaching Washington Park.
That's one full revolution. Yes, the platform is level. We rode for 41 minutes, and that was one full revolution on this amazing train. All the fares are free. It is a great system, but there's just one thing. Make the stations 2 blocks apart because it just stops too frequently, and it can really save and cut travel time. That's all I have to say. This train is an excellent way to get through Cincinnati, and it's definitely really cool. We just want also one more thing we can take away from this. Maybe COVID isn't so bad after all. Because of COVID, the trains are now free forever. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. And I'll see you next time.